It is your girl Celeste Renee, and I am back with another video. Today's video is really exciting. We have never done this on the channel before. It is a unboxing video, and it is sponsored by Etekcity. So they sent, oh, this one's open a little bit. They sent me this PR package, and I've done a video with one of their products before. If you guys remember when I did the it's upside down. Okay, that's a joke. It's upside down. But when I did the food scale video, so this is one of their products that I have. They sent to me. This is the food scale. I did this video, and I really like this scale. Wi-Fi and all that. Oh, it's turned on. Let me turn that back off so the battery doesn't die. I don't know how to turn it off. I'm sure to shut off on the phone. But anyways, this video is not about the food scale. Today's video is about some products that they sent me. I know one of them is the scale, and this one is a white noise machine with Bluetooth speaker. The really cool reason why this video is so special is because tomorrow is Amazon Prime Day, July 15th. So all of their products are going to be on sale. So, oh, I got an Apple Watch yesterday too. So I have a video coming up about that. Apple Watch versus Fitbit. We're gonna see, cause y'all already know I've been like Team Fitbit for like 5 years, and so finally got an Apple Watch. You already know anytime I have any type of new electronical device, it's been provided by Connie, my mother. So let's thank her for more content. Yay, Mom! And yeah, so she got me this watch yesterday. Really excited to try it out. I'm actually gonna go to the gym today just so I can work out with the watch on. So that shows you how dedicated I am. But anyways, back to what I was talking about. Tomorrow is Amazon Prime Day. So you're gonna get a discount on the products. And it's Amazon Prime Day, so if you have Amazon Prime, you know, it's just a really good deal. It's a really good deal. You should definitely go try it out. But I'm gonna go through these products with you guys just so you can kind of see what it's about. I really recommend that if you're looking for a scale that you just go ahead. First off, let me just put this out there. These scales are really good. So you already know I bought a scale similar to this before, and I was saying that it's a lot less. It does everything that the Fitbit scale does, but it's a lot. Actually, it does more than the Fitbit scale, and it doesn't even cost as much. So that's really good. I can vouch for this company because I've used one of their products before, and it's legit. So that's a good thing too. And they have warranties on it and everything. So yeah, let's just get into the video. The first thing we're gonna do, we should do the best for last. Best for last. So the first we're gonna do is the white noise machine with Bluetooth speaker. I honestly don't know what this is. They sent it. I'm sure it's health related, you know, but I don't know. I know it's a speaker, so that in itself is cool for me because sometimes I like to do little home workouts and I like to have music. I have a Google Home, but I kind of want something in my restroom, so I think this is cool. How do we turn this? Does it need batteries? I probably should have. I guess this is the point of an unboxing video, right? You don't know how it works. So, okay. So here's the power button. So I think it has to be plugged in to use. Oh, tips, fully charged before using. So it comes with a little charger right here and you plug it in. This is clearly not going to be fully charged. So, but I think one of the really cool things for me is it's an alarm clock. Number one, that's like awesome. I use my phone as my alarm clock, but you know, it's cool to have something else. Oh look, it came on. Oh, that's what that noise was. Oh, this is the white noise machine. My thing is going off. I don't know what it is. Okay, this is the white noise. Okay, can y'all hear it? This is supposed to like help you sleep. The white noises is like good for sleep. Oh, it's getting louder. Can you hear it? Or is that the radio? Am I tripping? I think this is the white noises. Okay, yes. Okay, so this is the, it came on. So I guess it has to be I guess they charged it a little bit. If machine is connected to Bluetooth, white noise is disabled. Okay, because that was about to be my question. Like, is this gonna play all the time when I listen to the music? So it's Bluetooth, so you know you just use your phone. I dropped my phone last weekend and cracked it, so it's looking real ratchet with this broken screen. But anyways, we'll get that fixed another day. It has the alarm clock. I haven't used an alarm clock in so long, y'all. I don't even know. I really don't know how this works. So yes, but this is an unboxing. I didn't say I had used this stuff before, so I don't know. And then it has the Bluetooth. The Bluetooth is the most important thing to me. Let me see, can I pair it right now? So I have so many paired devices on my Bluetooth. Like, look at this. It's like literally, oh look, it popped up that fast. So other devices, Etekcity. Let's see if it plays. It's connected, so let's see if it plays. Let me put on a song.
I need a nigga.
Oh my god! We're gonna turn that off because I'm not trying to get my video copyrighted, because you know I need all my coins. But yes, it worked. Actually, I want to see how loud it gets though. So we're gonna play it again. If you guys don't know, I've been a little obsessed with Meg Thee Stallion this summer, so you know, yeah.
They're red Ferrari, sneaking, geeking, all that smiling.
It gets pretty loud.
Her body,
That's pretty cool. So I'm gonna turn that off because, like I said, I'm not trying to get any copyright strikes for using music that is not mine. Yes, but it's really loud, and the cool thing is that you can put it anywhere. It doesn't have to be on the charger to work. So it's a portable speaker, really loud. You can put it by your bed if you want the Bluetooth sounds to help you go to sleep. You know, that works out good. And let me see how much this thing costs. Oh, the thing they gave me doesn't have a price. So this is the white noise machine. Open. It is 30. Okay, so it's $39.99 on Amazon. And you can save an additional 20% when you apply this coupon. So it's really good. It has good reviews. It's on Amazon. You can go and get it. I know my camera is not letting you zoom in, but you know, yeah. So that's the first one. So yes, this is the Bluetooth. I'm gonna turn this off because I want to save the battery. I'm assuming I just pressed it and it came on, so maybe I need to hold it. Oh yeah, you hold it. So you hold it to turn it on, hold it to turn it off. So that's really cool. I'm excited for that because I'm gonna buy a white desk and kind of set up like an office space, and I think that'd be really cool to have that on there. Or I might just keep it in my restroom because I need a new speaker in my restroom. So one or the other, I'm not sure, but we're gonna do that. Ooh, they have the scale. They have a really good sale going on this. It's literally $22.99 for a Bluetooth scale. Stop. Okay, so this is the next one. This is the Smart Fitness Scale. I'm gonna open it up so we can see it. Ooh. Okay, so sometimes these take a long time to connect to the Bluetooth, but this is how it comes. As you can see, it has the Smart Guide. You have to download their app. I already have this app. It's the same app that you use for their food scale, so that's really good. You don't have to have multiple apps from one company. Lots of stuff in here. But this is actually a lot cuter than the scale I have. So originally, another company sent me a scale too, and I was like, I can't use all these scales, right? So I was gonna do a giveaway. I actually am gonna do it. Oh my God, they have a measurement. They have a measuring stick in here. And I think this is really good because I think sometimes when we focus so much on the scale, we can get distracted. But sometimes you're not losing weight, but you're losing a lot of inches. So I really like that they put this in here. Like, I think this is good. This, you know what? Go buy this just because they put this in here. Like, awesome. So this is the scale. It looks so pretty. This scale looks so much better than my scale. But what I was saying, so I have two scales that haven't been used, and I was gonna do a giveaway. But now I'm looking at this, I'm like, ooh, I want to keep this. But no, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna give it away because you guys have been such amazing supporters. Like, one of my videos has over 100,000 views, like 5,000 subscribers in like less than 2 years. Like, it's just crazy. Like, the support is real, so I'm definitely gonna give back. So there's gonna be a giveaway with 2 of these scales. So yes, I don't wanna turn it on and connect it because I want to use one of these as a giveaway, and I don't want to put my information in, and I don't know if it'll make it difficult for you guys when you get it. So I'm not going to connect it or anything, but I will tell you what all it does and why I think it's good to have one of these scales. So typically what you do is you download the app, you put all your information in, you connect it to your Bluetooth. It doesn't have to be on Bluetooth. Like, if you don't have a Bluetooth capable device, you can still use it without the Bluetooth. I just like the Bluetooth aspect because it stores everything in your phone. So it stores everything on the app. You don't have to try to remember it or write it down. So that's the really cool thing about Bluetooth scales. And like I said, first off, this scale, and this is the body fat scale. So it shows you body fat and your weight. Let's see what else it shows you. It's only $22, guys. Like, okay, so it does weight, body fat, water, bone mass, protein, BMR. First off, this scale does way more than the scale I have. Like, y'all, I might have to keep this scale and just do weight giveaway. It has a good reviews. So it works with Google Fit, Apple Health, and Fitbit. That's really good. Like I like when they're like, you know, you don't have to like, it can, your whatever fitness watch you use, it connects with that. It's real cute too. Y'all, I really want to keep this scale. You can kind of see how the app looks a little bit. Well, actually, you can't really see it on here, but that's the app, how it looks. This is really cute. This is really cute. I'm not going to be selfish though. Well, technically I got 2 scales, so I could just give away one and keep one for myself. But I already have another Bluetooth scale in there. The only thing with this, like this one, you can like, I really like, let me put this back up the correct way so that like nothing, when I get ready to ship it out to one of our lucky giveaway winners, I'm going to do the giveaway and I'm going to do, I'm actually going to try out all of these and show y'all the differences between them, like a regular cell versus a, ooh, I can't get this in. Okay, we're having some difficulties right here, so we're just gonna stop before we break it and somebody can't hit it. Maybe it doesn't go like this is. Oh, there we go. Okay, so yeah guys, this video was sponsored by Etekcity. It's a really good brand, and I wouldn't, like, first off, I would not lie to y'all. If it was trash, I would tell you it's trash, don't spend your money, but it's legit a good brand. I've used the app. I have the Apple, I legit have the app on my phone. Like, it's one of the apps in my health section right here. Here's the app, so I have it on my phone. I've used their products before. Really good company. Oh, they give you warranty. I think it's a 5-year warranty, which is really good. My Fitbit scale only came with a 1-year warranty, and I paid over $150 for that scale. And as you guys know, I no longer have that scale because it just stopped working. So this is a really good deal. Like, you can use, if you have a Fitbit, you can, it lets you sync your Fitbit, Apple Watch. Those are the main 2 like fitness watches that I know of. If there's another one, let me know. I don't know. Those are the main 2, Fitbit and Apple Watch. Oh, and it has Google Play. It said Google too. I don't even know Google had a health thing. But yeah guys, don't forget, tomorrow is Amazon Prime Day. So July 15th starts Amazon Prime Day. So tomorrow is the best time to go order these products because they're already going to be on sale. Then you get a little additional, you know, something. You can't beat it. $22 for a Bluetooth scale, like legit. That's a good deal. That's all I'm going to say. It's a good deal. It does way more than what the Fitbit scale does, and that Fitbit scale is Bluetooth and it costs $150. You're getting the same thing plus more for $22. Like, don't know what to tell you. If I were you, I would do it. And it's a 5-year warranty, so if something goes bad, you can always send it back to them, blah, 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 blah. So yes, I would definitely say go ahead and do that. And if you do order the scale, let me know how it goes. Let me know if you like it, the pros and the cons. And yes, I will see you guys later. Bye.